Hello, here are the market headlines you need to know today.
The US ISM prices paid will be released at 1500 GMT, the German unemployment change at 0900 GMT, the US ISM manufacturing PMI at 1500 GMT. The UK PMI construction at 0930 GMT, the US construction spending at 1500 GMT, and the German unemployment rate at 0900 GMT. Wall Street's major indices were higher on the first trading session of 2018 on Tuesday, driven by gains in technology stocks. The Street continues to be short and caught in gold as 2018 gets underway after soaring $11 on Friday to the 1,300 mark. Growth in British manufacturing cooled last month from 4-year highs in November, but the sector remains a bright spot in Britain's economy. The dollar-yen pair currently has a heavy bearish outlook. The ATR has moved sharply into the high volatility area in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is enjoying a broad consensus of bullish indicators. The MACD now settles indecisively in the bullish area. The price of gold is under heavy bullish pressure. The stochastic RSI has shown some back and forth movement, now settling in the bullish area. The price of crude oil is currently neutral. Stochastic is now signalling bearish after recently dwelling in the bullish area.
That is all. Subscribe now to receive further daily market updates.